And this is why we talk about what we talk about next, right? The cost of timing the market. I want to take a second on this part because it's very, very important. So many people on social media keep on telling you, do this fancy thing, do that fancy thing. So many people on social media keep on trying to predict a recession or predict inflation. Or all these things are various forms of trying to time the market. It doesn't work. On this diagram here, what you see is the cost of timing the market. So you see, missing the best 60 days in the market, investment returns are 93% lower if the 60 best days are missed. Just 60 days in the history of the market. Just 60 days. 93%. Right? If you miss the 50 best days, look at the impact. Now, this is missing just the 30 best days.